What's up guys, this is your boy Munivasan Khan and I'm back with another video. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get tubebuddy tags. There are a lot of tags in tubebuddy, so you can get all of them for free. You can use them for free, so I'm gonna just tell you a trick to use all of tubebuddy tags for free. So if this video helps you, give it a like, thumbs up. I'm just gonna go to my YouTube studio right away, and sorry for the delay, and it's gonna open like that. So this is my channel. Yeah, a lot of views, 1 view and 25% click rate, and still no impression. We just okay, let's go. So just go to detail, and you can do this on any you can just do this with another tricks to so this is my one trick. I will upload another one if you guys ask me, when you're uploading the video and you have to do this. So there is a tubebuddy tags. You can see there are only 3 tags available for the free user, but there are a lot of them for the others. So I'm just gonna add these 3 tags. So this YouTube video tag is creating a problem. I don't know why it's not adding, but so I'm just gonna add the tags, and I'm just gonna go press the save button right away. So just add the tags, go to the save button, click the save button, and just add three tags on your tag list. So and then come back, go to analytics, and then immediately go back to detail. Just let the analytic page a little bit load, and just go back to detail page. And then another time there will be a tags tool will be helping you. There will be 3 new tags for you to add in your video. So you can get a lot of tags like this. You can get unlimited tag like this. Just go to the another page and just come back. And when you're uploading the video, you see there is a page for making public. There are 3 pages. So just go to another page, come back. There will be and the tags will be reloaded, and you can add new tags. So if I'm making any sense right now, I don't know. I'm just doing a voiceover in this video, so if I'm making any sense or not. So just go to the video, come again, go to analytic page, come back to detail page, and there will be 3 new tags for you to add onto your video. So this is how it works. Keep on doing it again. As you can see, my video IQ score is 44.9 out of 50, which is a pretty great score. 46.8, which is a pretty good score, SEO score, as you guys know, out of 100. So it is out of 50, sorry, and it's 46.8, which is a very pretty good score. So I just do this and add almost 9 to 10 tags, and my SEO is almost very complete. So it really helps in your SEO and other stuff like that. So keep on doing this trick, and subscribe to the channel to motivate me to make more videos and tricks like that. And thank you so much for watching, guys. And if this video helps you anyway, just like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much.